In a world full of strangers, they're the ones I know. Mom and Dad, my heroes, wherever I go. Their love and guidance shine like a beacon light, helping me navigate through the dark of night. Mom and Dad, my heroes true, their love and support see me through. With every step, with every fall, they're the ones who help me stand tall. Dad's brave heart, Mom's compassionate way, they show me how to live every single day. Through their example, I learn and grow. And with their help, my dreams begin to glow. Mom and Dad, my heroes true, their love and support see me through. With every step, with every fall, they're the ones who help me stand tall. I hope to make them proud, to be as strong, to follow in their footsteps and carry on their legacy of love, their hero's heart, and be a hero too from the very start. Mom and Dad, my heroes true, their love and support see me through. With every step, with every fall, they're the ones who help me stand tall. Oh, Mom and Dad, my heroes true, their love and support see me through. With every step, with every fall, they're the